is not about exercise, but about nourishment, about the healing as well. When you breathe in, breathe out, with compassion, with relaxing, you will get healing. Never forget my body. I have my body is an opportunity. My body is opportunity for me to live and to create joy and peace, to heal and to nourish at the same time. So my breathing, when I recognize my breathing, I feel alive. Practice like this is not about exercise, but about the nourishment. Bring spiritual, bring mindfulness into Qigong is very important. That's why we call Qigong meditation. You lower your knees a little bit, breathe in, out, in, out. Relax your shoulders and relax your lower back. You may close your eyes and relax your head and your neck, okay? We'll make a circle with your neck and your head. Breathe in, out. We'll do reverse. In, out, in, out. That's wonderful. So you may stand by one leg and then relax your hands, your toes and your knee, okay? So you can rotate, relax your wrists, do reverse. It's so wonderful to practice outdoor and to breathe with the fresh air. Okay, another leg. Realize that you are still moving your legs, your hands. That's so wonderful. Do reverse. That's so wonderful. Put your two hands on your lower back and then you can relax your lower back. Breathe in, out, in, out. Do reverse. Allow your lower back to release tensions completely and relax your hips also. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Breathe out slow. Bring your mind back to the body in the present moment. You may close your eyes and feel your lower abdomen. Your lower abdomen is rising when you breathe in. Your abdomen is falling when you breathe out and you relax. Feel your 2 feet on the ground. Feel the earth with you. Relax and feel connected to the earth. Okay? So the first movement you call the crane, okay? So breathe in, you raise your right leg up and then 2 hands. And then breathe out, you stretch your palms, your shoulders and your right leg at the same time, okay? Stretch maximum your shoulders and release tension. Breathe in your left leg up and out. Stretch your hands and your leg at the same time. Okay? So you can find your own balance by standing by one leg. In, out. Inhale. Exhale to release tensions from your shoulders and your legs, okay? And your palms. In, out, in. Offer a smile to yourself. Out. You can stand by one leg. You can stretch your hands and your legs at the same time. In, out. Left. In, out. That's wonderful. Open your palms. Breathe in deep. Breathe out slow. Bring your mind back to the body. So you feel so wonderful to breathe in and out and cultivate energy of freedom, energy of solidity in the present moment. You are not disturbed by anything. Just breathe and move and feel the body. Okay, so the next one we call the butterfly. This one you can stretch your whole body completely, but at the same time to improve the balance. Okay, you can start with the right side. So breathe in, your hand back. Breathe out, you move your hand forward. Look down to the earth. Inhale, your hand up and open. And exhale, you stretch your hand and look down to your right toes. Okay, like that. Okay, inhale, your hands beside your hips and you lift up your left legs. Okay, out, we stretch your hands and your left leg at the same time. Look down to the earth. In again, move up and open. Out, stretch your palms and look down to your right toes. Okay, so the front leg is straight, and then the left leg is square a little bit. Okay, bend a little bit like that. Okay, inhale, your hands, your legs up. Exhale, stretch. In, move your hand up, open. Out, cross your hands and stretch. Lift up your palms in that way. Inhale, one more time. Exhale, stretch. In, look up, open. Out, cross the two hands. Face up to the sky. Okay. The left on the left side. Breathe in. Move your hand back. Move forward. Inhale, move up and open. Exhale, cross your palms up. Look down to your left toes. Okay. Inhale, right legs up. Your hands ready. Exhale, stretch your hands and the right legs at the same time. Look down to the earth. Inhale, up, open. Exhale, cross your hands and look down to your toes. You can keep your own balance. Okay. Allow your lower back relax. In, out, stretch. In, your hands up, open. Out, cross your hands, look down to your toes. Okay, inhale, exhale, stretch. In, up, open. Out, cross your legs. That's so wonderful. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, relax your body.